Hello everyone and welcome back to Upshitter. If you are a passionate developer looking for a full stack role, then this opportunity at Odoo is a perfect for you. So let's dive in as we are all going to discuss all the details about this role. So what is the eligibility criteria, who can apply for this, and what are all the data responses are there, what are the requirements that are required for this role. Each and everything are discussed in this video. So do watch this video till the end. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. So where will you get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, and a lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. So now let's start the video. So first off, let's talk a little bit about the Odoo. Odoo, it is a global leader in a business management software where it is offering a suite of open source applications that helps the businesses to run efficiently and effectively. So now they are hiring for the role of full stack developer to join their dynamic team. So let's dive in what this role is all about, right? So as a full stack developer at Odoo, your responsibilities will be including like developing a high quality applications and coaching the small distributed development teams and taking the full responsibility for the code you develop and producing the clean and scalable code. So these are the things that are responsible for this thing. It sounds exciting, right? So but what skills that are required for this, right? So to be eligible, you need to have experience with the multiple programming languages and web frameworks, a strong understanding of object oriented programming, and a passion for development and the ability to learn quickly and effectively as well, and having the good communication skills in English by reading and also writing skills, and have at least 1 year of experience as a full stack developer. Okay, now let's talk about the preferred qualifications that are skills that are required. So while it is not mandatory, the following skills will give you a small edge in the interview. The contribution to open source projects like a bachelor's or a master's degree you would have, and also having a proficiency in the Python, JavaScript, and web frameworks, experience with the Linux or and GitHub. Well, these are not mandate, but if you have, it is better thing. Okay, now why you need to join this Odoo? At Odoo you will be working with a team of innovation developers in a fast paced environment, so where you will get a hands-on experience with the cutting edge technologies, and also you will be contributing to the open source projects and enjoying the flexibility work culture in the Odoo, right? So how to apply for this now? So it is very simple. The link in the description box, and you click on that link, you will redirect to this page, and you can simply press on apply now button. You can apply for this role. So make sure your resume highlights that are required for this, like HTML, CSS, Python, JavaScript. So these are the things that if your resume highlights, and also some of the open source projects, if you include this in your resume and you have done in the past, so that your resume will be boosted up, and also in the interview process, so that your resume get also selected. Okay, now that's all you need to know about this video. So what exactly the most about this full stack developer role at Odoo? Let us know in the comments, and also don't forget to like this video and do share it with your friends so that they will get benefit from this video. And also subscribe to Opportunity for more updates, and I will see you in the next video with the biggest opportunity, and good luck with your application.